Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash with one of the most important topic once again in the family of past tenses, moving towards simple past continuous or past continuous. You can call it past progressive tense too. Dear all, what is past continuous tense? You may know or may not know about it, that it has different usages and different situations we are using them. The first situation that we are using it when we are talking about an action which was happening in the past in a specific period of time, we are using past continuous tense for it. An action happening in the past in a specific period of time, happening in the past in a specific period of time is known, we are using past continuous tense for it. For example, I'm saying that in this time, yesterday, I was watching movie. This time on Friday, I was playing with my friends. I was playing with my friends this time last Friday. You can also say, I was teaching the class at 3 o'clock yesterday. Now something at 3 o'clock which was continue, it was taking class. Dear all, the second usage of the past continuous tense or past progressive tense is when we are describing those actions, dual actions happening in the past or more than that happening in the past in a specific and same period of time, we are using past continuous tense for it. For example, while I was teaching the class, my friend was laughing with his friends outside. While I was teaching the class, she was cooking meal. While I was watching movie, they were enjoying tennis game. Now that's how we are using two different actions happening in the same time. But if we are going to, the next usage of it, when we are going to describe an action which is happening in the past and another action suddenly interrupted. One action was continue, kuch continue tha, ja raha tha, in progress tha, like I'm teaching right now. While I was teaching, someone knocked the door. See? तो आपने past continuous use करना है with simple past. But you must not forget that you have to use while. While is only used in past continuous tense. जब आप past continuous statement use करते हैं, then you have to use while. And when is always going with the simple past. When I took the class, she was cooking. While she was cooking, I took the class. One thing was continue when another thing has interrupted or दूसरे काम interrupt किया or interfere किया. The next usage of past continuous tense is when we people are describing repeated actions or some habits in the past. For example, she was usually calling me. My mom, don't take it. She was usually calling me. They were always visiting my home in the summer. That's how we are using it for the repeated action. Usually we are using indefinite adverb of frequency then there. The time expression for simple past is while and when. We are using in, space, a comma, as, also, etc. These are the time expressions that we are using. And now I hope you know that in which situations we are using, in what kind of situation we are describing with the past continuous tense. The positive structure, the positive sentence is the opposite of the present continuous tense. Structure वही है, सिर्फ was और were. ism are वहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर was and were change होता है. He, she, it, or he, she, it के साथ was, you, we, they के साथ were plus verb ing plus object or complement. Besides that, we are going to go for the negative structure of it, was not and were not. They were not playing cricket at this time yesterday. Or you're saying she was not taking class at 3:30. That's how you are using was not and were not for negative structures. And interrogative structure is obviously helping verb will go before subject and then subject. The rest of the sentence will use. Was she teaching at 3 o'clock yesterday? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Yes, no question B, iska yahi hai. Or were they visiting your home in summers? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. That's how we are using past continuous tense, and they are the appropriate structures for it. Dear all, if there is any question or you have any query, you're most welcome to ask me in the comment box. And I'm always available to respond to your question. Have a great time for now. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to ask question if there is need of it. Thank you.